Picture yourself in the 2010 Chevrolet Corvette. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Corvette Grand Sport delivers smoking performance, nimble handling, refined styling, and customizable technology to produce a unique and elevated driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering. Live like you mean it. Drive like you've dreamed it. The Corvette Grand Sport.